Hello guys, today I will be playing this viral game that's been going out. Yeah, I'm already on a game. I'm next to Pomni. Cat Boys. What the? Why? Why is that your username? Oh, Cat Boys stink. You wanna? Oh, do not enter. Hockey fan, yeah. Please save me. How is that username? Wait, people are talking. Can I sit up front? Yeah. Oh! What is this place? This is something that they don't even show. Amy, why are you not answering? Maybe Amy doesn't want to be with you. Oop, somebody just fell. La La Land is next to me. Tristan Row. What are these usernames? I know mine is 6767 yay, but why? Oh crap. Yeah. This is my Oats account. So I just created this account. What the? Well, guess I'm going to spawn. Move out the way. Smosh pillow. OMG. I heard if you finish, you get a free. Shut up. You get a free what? A free what? Have fun, don't die. You're probably going to die. Hands up. I'm going to go to this one. Because there's Robux people. Oh. Oh! Oh! By the way, do you want to know who made this game? That person that made the musical Chairs game with like inappropriate like songs that's supposed to be children's songs. Wait for me. This is my chair. Get ABC. I think that means get out or something. It's so laggy. Oh. Wait. Oh. I was about to jump out. Heartbreak emoji. Stop. How did I just die? We should have went the other way. What? Wait for me. Wait for me, besties. Wait for me. I said wait for me. Good. I'm on. There's so much bacon. Ow. I accidentally jumped. And there was another way. What's happening? What? How did I just die? I think when you jump out, you like die. But what if I want to change the seats? Troy, I'm going in the back. I'm scared. Cursor Dad. I think he wants to sit at the front. I think you touch the water, you like die. Oh. Domer came in. Have fun. Don't die. You're probably going to die. Hands up. What does that sound? Drive? Oh. What the? What? Back to the end. What? Must be a winner to use this. So, what? Hemi boy. Wait for me. I don't want to be in the front. Somebody get in the front. What? Hemi boy? Yes, fake. What? What is that? Oh, slow down, thing. I think somebody's controlling it. This is fake. Who cares if it's a fake one? At least it's a copy so we could play it. I can't find the other one. Ah! Molly is whip. What did that just say? Oh, it's. What the? Not Zin upside down. You shouldn't have jumped out. We are making it. Or probably not. Probably not. Because these boats go crazy. I saw it. Oh. We are actually going fast. Thank you. Nobody. What? There's somebody there. Wait for them. Or not. What is this music? Teresa? That's weird. I swear to God, that's weird. I think we're going to die. I'm scared. Somebody just said my sister's name. Teresa. Oh. Somebody's called Teresa. Oh, they're friends. Sorry. Nothing. Ow. Ooh. Sorry, I like this game. Are you guys bots? Not me. Can you play this another time? Yeah, I'm going to stop reading the chat, but pyramids. Oh my God. Well, okay, I'm going to stop. But what is that? That's actually pretty. I'm sorry, I can't get. What is that? Sorry. We're going in it? Oh. And I just saw the sun, and what is that? Oh, we're going on it. Oh. This is actually cool. Oh. We're upside down. Oh. Oh, oh my god. Oh my god, we're so close. What was that? We're so close. What is that? Happy birthday. It's not even my birthday. It's not even my birthday. It's not even my birthday. And what is that? What? Oh, we're going too fast. I'm on my phone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. I think we're going too fast. I think it's going to disconnect me. Happy birthday. We just fell. Where are we going? Did I literally just... Oh, I'm so mad. Well, I'm going to go check over there because nearly anybody goes over here. This is just where... Ow! What did I do? Welcome to the boat ride. Get in the boat now! I'm going to be trying to get into like secret areas. Oh. Oh. Is that gunshots? Who has a freaking gun? Wait, I see a whole entire thing right... No! Oops. Well, what about Berry Avenue? What? Okay, I'm going to stop. Permanent... I'm going to be, like, climbing up here and looking around the map. Like, trying to find, like, any secrets, if there is any. I saw a bunch of water over there, so, yeah. Let's go over there. Okay, let's swim. It's so slow to swim. I see it. Anything there? Well, since I'm here, I could check underneath the map. Thank God it's not like Minecraft. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, good. Okay, I'm getting up. So I'm looking around the map. This is how big it is. Really big. Let me check. Oh. I'm coming over here. Wait. I'm kind of laggy. I could just skip to the end. No way. No way. I could just go to the end. No way. Yeah, I would just follow this road. What is that? There's so much water everywhere. I got to pee in real life. Oh. I didn't know. I didn't want to know. And be mirror. Okay, I'll stop. Oh, I saw some people. They probably just saw me. There's water everywhere. Okay, I was tired. Poor cat's eye. Here's the cave. What is this cave? I'm pretty sure that oh, I can't see anything. Oh, my eyes. Oh, this is scary. I don't like it. Let me go over to the gray. I just saw something. Oh, yeah. Damn, my phone is so hot right now. It's like burning hot. What is that? What? Look at that. Leave. Oh, I want to teleport to the end. It's like it's a staircase. Oh, this is going to take so much time, so let me pause it. Okay, so I finished going down the staircase. Who's that? And this is here. I don't know what this is. Like, what is this? Like, oh, it's big. Oh, what is that? I think I'm going to jump down there to see. But what is that? What is this? What is this? I swear to God. There's more staircases. Guess I'm going to go up there. But I would not make you guys wait. But just let me get to it. Like, my Roblox character is so slow. Like, what is this? So I will be climbing this big thing for you guys. So I'm going to cut this out of the video. Cut. Oh my god, wow, I could see the staircase that I went through. Okay, I'm almost here. What is, oh my god. How can I cross? Oh, hello. This is ginormous, and I see like a little thing right there, so I will like go there. Okay, so yeah, just give me a sec.